So in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways that I make money on YouTube uploading simple videos. Now, this is exactly what I am doing on my YouTube channel, and there are a variety of ways that you can actually leverage YouTube in order to earn different streams of income. And I'm actually actively testing different ways on different channels that I have on YouTube in order to earn income as well. But in this video, I'm going to share with you 2 of the main ways that I have made money with YouTube over the years. And then also I'm going to share with you some proof of this actually working. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So again, this is just going to be a quick video, and it's kind of give you guys like a deep dive of how I'm actually leveraging my YouTube channel in order to earn income. And then this way it can kind of give you some inspiration or some ideas of what you can do as well with your YouTube channel, so that way you can earn. So let's dive into the content. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you again 2 ways that I actually earn from my YouTube channel. I'm also going to show you examples of each, and also I'm going to show you proof of the second method. And it's a reason why I want to do this, but just make sure you stay to the end of the video so I can share with you, proof of this second method working, and then also make sure you just stay to the end of the video, because I'm going to show the exact way I'm actually learning this that's actually helping me to earn more with my channel in both ways that I'm sharing with you on this video. So of course, the first way that I actually make money from my YouTube channel is affiliate marketing. So if you're not new to my channel, then you know that this is primarily what I talk about on this channel. I do a lot of videos about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and those type of videos. And then with affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with what it is, it's simply by where we can make money by selling other people's products. And this is by far one of the best ways that you can actually get started online and start earning money is through affiliate marketing. And the beauty part about this particular business model is that you don't have to create your own courses. You don't have to deal with customer service issues or anything like that. You don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to worry about shipping out items. None of that type of stuff, guys. Again, everything is already created for us. There's a vendor or a seller out there who has already created the product, the course. They're dealing with customer service and everything else. The only thing that we need to do as affiliate marketers is get as many people as possible to visit the company's website using our tracked links. And those tracked links are what we call affiliate links. And those links are basically coded to us. So anytime somebody clicks on one of those links and they decide to make a purchase through our link, we can earn a commission. So this is by far one of the simplest ways to actually get started to make money online. And then also it's a great way to actually start to earn with your YouTube channel is by, doing affiliate marketing and selling other people's products. So right now we're looking at my YouTube channel, and you can see here I have a wide variety of different videos. And how I do these videos in order to earn affiliate commissions, I do a lot of review videos and I do a ton of how-to videos. So we kind of scroll through, we can kind of see how to make $150 per day, how to grow a Facebook group, how to make $150 per day, how to remove a background in Canva. Just all these type of how-to videos, how to get free traffic to your affiliate links with Facebook. So I create tons of how-to videos because that's one thing that people do when they come over here to YouTube. They are looking for solutions to problems. So whenever you create content where you're showing people how to do something in order to get a solution to their problem, you're going to get tons of views to your videos. That's how you also start building up an audience of people who will know, like, and trust you. And so that'd be really good for your branding and everything else, because you're creating content to solve problems. So I have tons of these videos here, and I'm going to share with you how I actually find the content for these videos. And then also what I do is I do video reviews. So anytime there's a product that is about to be released in the internet marketing or the make money online niche, what I do is that I go and create a video about it. I give a full review of what the product is, what people can expect from that product. And then if they decide to purchase, I'll include my affiliate link for that product in the description below the video. So how I'm able to find those type of videos to do reviews on is that I come over here to a website called muncheye.com. And on this website is going to give all the details of upcoming launches in the affiliate marketing, make money online, internet marketing space. So I will come over here, I'll find products that are about to be released. I'll request my affiliate link for that product. And once I get my affiliate link, I'll do a video review about that product. And again, I just go over the features and the benefits. If I have any additional bonuses that I want to give them if they decide to purchase the product, I'll make sure I talk about that in the video as well. So that way I'm actually earning affiliate commissions doing that. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. Another way that I actually earn money with affiliate commissions is that I promote products that I actively use. So this product right here, this is for, my lead gen secret. It's a way that you can get 3,000 leads a month for just $1 a day. So I did a review about it. I also done reviews about ClickFunnels as well. I will be doing a video about LeadPages because I use LeadPages quite a bit inside of my business in order to create my review pages, my bonus pages, and everything else that I use for my business. So I will be definitely doing a review video on that. And then also if anybody will watch that video and they decide they also want to use LeadPages for their affiliate business, I will of course include my affiliate link for LeadPages in the description below the video. And that's how I can actually earn commissions. So just how I mentioned also how I do a ton of how-to videos is that what I would do is I will actually leverage the actual search engine inside of YouTube in order to find these topics in order for me to do my videos. So if I were to come over here to YouTube, and just how I mentioned earlier, my niche is in the affiliate marketing, make money online niche, or even YouTube, right? So I'll put in here something like how to make money on YouTube, right? So YouTube is already telling me what topics people are actively searching for. So if I just put in how to make money online, look, YouTube is already giving me ideas of things that people are actively searching for. So what I would do is that I would actually jot all these down on a piece of paper, and I'll actually create content for the ones that actually apply to my niche. I can also do this, how to make $100 a day online. And then they're going to give me another set of results. And again, the ones that apply to my niche, I'll actually write those down on a piece of note paper or something like that, and I'll create content, video content on my videos for those. So in some of my videos, they range anywhere from about 10 minutes long up to about maybe 15 or 16 minutes long. Sometimes your videos don't even need to be that long, okay? There are people out here who actually create how-to videos just showing people how to how to create a Netflix account, how to create a Canva account, all those type of things like that. And their videos or their channels, every video on that channel may only be about 3 or 5 minutes long, okay? It just depends on what niche that you're in. In my particular niche, since I kind of do how-to videos, doing like step-by-step tutorials, sometimes the videos will go about at least 10 minutes long. So again, the length of the videos will definitely vary depending on what niche that you're actually promoting products in. So the second way that I actually earn from my channel is through Adsense. Now with Adsense is basically we can earn ad revenues for ads being placed before, during, or after our videos on YouTube. Now in order for you to get access to this and to receive commissions from the Adsense program, you must be in the YouTube Partner Program. Now in order to be in the YouTube Partner Program at the timing of this video, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. And I do have a video on my YouTube channel explaining how you'll be able to reach your first 1,000 subs and how to get 4,000 watch hours in order for you to be a part of the YouTube AdSense program. So with this particular way, I'm actually going to show you some proof of this working, because when I got started with my YouTube channel, my goal for my particular channel at that time was solely for affiliate marketing. I never built my channel in order for me to generate AdSense income. AdSense was just kind of secondary, and it was just kind of some extra income that I earned on the side. But I never really focused on it because, again, my sole focus was on making affiliate commissions from my videos. It wasn't until about a few months ago, I think about the end of July, that I decided to move forward in order to grow my YouTube AdSense income to create an additional income stream. So right now we're inside of a Facebook group where I actually shared my results last month in October, and I was just letting people know how I started, focusing on creating more content and things like that. So that way I can actually start to earn more money with the YouTube AdSense program. So you can see here in May and June, I put in about $180, from the YouTube AdSense program. And then when I started implementing information that I got inside of a training that I have been following since the end of July, I started to see my revenues start to increase. So you can see it, just how I mentioned, at the end of July, I started with this system, with this course, and you can see I just made shy of about $300 in AdSense income. And then in August, it went to over $500. In September, it was just shy of $700. October, it actually reached $800, which you can see that here. I just updated the picture inside of that group at the beginning of November. So you can see that I made just shy of $800 in the month of October with the YouTube AdSense. And again, this is just a separate income that I'm generating from my YouTube videos, in addition to all the affiliate commissions that I'm earning by promoting different affiliate programs that I am a part of. Now, if you want to know the exact system that I am actually using, or the exact course that I'm actually learning that's helping me to earn more in AdSense revenue, and it's actually helping me to earn more with my affiliate commissions. So right now we're looking at the back office of YouTube Passive Success. Now this is the exact course that I am actually using that's helping me to earn more money with my YouTube AdSense, as well as helping me to earn more affiliate commissions. Now this course has been created by a guy named Mark Furness, and he actually has a channel on YouTube called Not Taught at School, so you can definitely check him out. Inside of his course, he's going to share with you exactly what it is that he was able to do to help to get his channel monetized, and then also how he was able to earn $15,000 per month with his YouTube channel, simply by increasing the amount of money he earned with AdSense, as well as increasing the amount of money he earned with affiliate marketing by using his YouTube videos in order to promote things. So also, as you're going to see inside of this course, he's going to share with you how he was able to make over $8,000 from one video. He's also going to show you inside of this video a list of all the affiliate commissions that he is earning by leveraging his YouTube channel in order to earn additional commissions. And then also he's going to give you a full breakdown process of how you can do keyword research, the fast method on how you can go ahead and start getting your videos ranked in the YouTube search engine, so that way you start getting more views. He shows you the uploading process. He also shows you how to create videos. And don't worry if you don't want to show your face on camera, that's completely fine. It is not necessary for you to do that in order to have success with this course. And then also he's going to show you how to create money funnels, so that way you can start to earn more with your channel and everything else. This is a really thought out course, and again, this is the same course that I started taking at the end of July, and that course is actually helping me again to earn all this additional money and AdSense revenue simply by following everything that he is sharing inside of this course. Now, if you want to get access to this course, just go underneath this video in the description below. It's going to be the first link, and it's going to bring you to the sales page for YouTube Passive Success. Get an idea of what you can actually learn from this course. And again, just how I share with you, you're going to get tons of information from this. And the money that I had actually spent on the course, I had already made back in my first month with this, guys, okay? So in this video, I share with you 2 ways that I actually make money on YouTube by uploading simple videos. The first way, again, is through affiliate marketing, by me creating how-to tutorials, doing review videos and things like that in order to promote my affiliate offers. And then also by me allowing YouTube to run ads before, during, and after my videos. I'm able to be a part of the AdSense revenue program, and that way I can earn from those ads, and I'm earning every single month an additional income stream from those ads being ran on my videos. Now, if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, hit that link above, learn more about YouTube Passive Success. And again, that's the actual course that I am using. That Facebook group that I share with you in this video, you'll get access to that Facebook group once you become once you actually purchase the course. And I'm actually active inside of that group as well, so you can definitely find me inside of that group if you need to ask questions. And then also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.